Hello Pilates and Yoga Lovers, welcome back to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. This is our day 2 of our 28-day Yoga Pilates workout challenge, and today we're going to do yoga. Yesterday, or day 1, we did the beginners Pilates fundamentals, and on this video, we'll be doing the yoga beginners. So first, let's start now and take a deep breath. Feet apart, get your balance ready, engage your core with your breaths. Inhale, belly button in and blow. 2 more breaths. Let's warm up our engine. Inhale, belly button in and blow. Last breath. Take a deep breath, belly button in and blow. So the first pose we're going to do is warrior pose. So left foot pointing straight, right foot pointing to the right, and lift your arms to the side, leveled with your shoulders. So your hands and fingers pointing straight. Take a deep breath, belly button in and blow. And now we're going to slowly lean to the right with our breath. Inhale, slow and easy. Belly button in and blow. 2 more breaths in this position. Inhale, belly button in and blow. So my head is turned towards my right hand. Inhale and blow. Last breath. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. So from warrior pose, you're going to slowly reach on your right ankle. If you can't touch your right ankle, it's okay to start on your knee. Point your fingers to the ceiling and slowly look up towards your left hand. Take a deep breath, belly button in and blow. If this is too difficult, you can start leaning on your right thigh area to support. Take a deep breath, belly button in and blow. And for those who wants to challenge, reach for your right ankle to further go down to stretch your low back area and your side hip muscles on your left. Take a deep breath, look up, belly button in and blow. 1 more breath. Inhale, belly button in, squeeze your stomach and blow. And now we're going to slowly go back to warrior pose with your knee bent on your right. Inhale and blow. You're going to feel your right thigh area getting tired. Inhale, belly button in and blow. And now go back to the center. Now let's switch up. Your right foot pointing towards you in front, and then your left foot pointing to the left, and then keeping your arms up. If you're getting tired, put your arms down and rest. And you take a deep breath and go back up and blow. Inhale, and then slowly bend your left knee and reach on your left side and blow. Inhale, belly button in and blow. Take a deep breath. Turn your head to the left. Feel that lovely stretch on your neck muscles. Belly button in and blow. And now we're going to slowly reach down to your left ankle if you can, and slowly turn your head up to the ceiling, following your hand on your right. Take a deep breath, belly button in and blow. Inhale, belly button in and blow. Last breath, take a deep breath, belly button in and blow. And now we're going to slowly go back to the center with your arms up. Take a deep breath and blow. Now you point your both of your toes to the side. Left foot toes pointing to the left, right to the right. And now we're going to slowly lean side to side. Let's start with your right. Take a deep breath and blow. And then back to the center. And now your left. Take a deep breath, belly button in and blow. Now I'm going to turn my head to the right while I'm leaning and bending my knee. Inhale, belly button in and back to the center and blow. Turn your head to the left, Lean towards your left belly button and blow. To the right, inhale. Belly button in and blow. Left, inhale. Belly button in and blow. Right, take a deep breath. Belly button in, slowly reach more to the right. Feel that lovely stretch and blow. Last one on your left. Take a deep breath. Belly button in, reach as far as you can and blow. And now let's go back to warrior on your right. Your left foot, toes pointing straight again. And reach to the right. Reach on your right ankle, bend forward. Look up again to your left hand to the ceiling, inhale. And then overhead and blow. And stretch your left rib cage area and blow. And back to the center. Up, pointing the ceiling and overhead. And follow your hand movements with your eyes. Take a deep breath and look up again and blow. Overhead, take a deep breath. Belly button in and back to the center and blow. Last one, take a deep breath overhead. Belly button in and blow. Now back to warrior pose. And now to the left side. Bend your left knee. Reach on your left ankle slowly. Turn your head to the right. Look up in the ceiling. Take a deep breath. And then overhead. Follow your hand with your eyes and blow. Then go up again. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and overhead and blow. Last one. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. And now we're going back to the center. Place your feet together. And we're going to do chair pose. So chair pose is just like you're going to try to sit down on a chair. Bend your knees, lower your buttocks down. Take a deep breath and blow. Now we're going to go up. Take a deep breath, stand up straight again. Belly button in and down, blow. Welcome to day 2 of our workout challenge. Inhale up. Belly button in. Squeeze your stomach in. And slowly go to sitting and blow. And now let's challenge ourselves by going overhead with your arms, pointing forward a little bit and up. Clasp your fingers, 2 fingers pointing up as well. Inhale, belly button in. Take a deep breath, belly button in and blow. 2 more breaths. Inhale, belly button in and blow. Last one, you take a deep breath, belly button in, and slowly lift your hands up more to stretch your shoulders, and then stand up straight and blow. And now we're going to do a few more breaths in this position. Inhale, overhead, belly button in and down, blow. Inhale up, belly button in and blow. Last one, you take a deep breath, belly button in and blow. Now we're going to go back to the warrior pose again. And this time, you're going to bend your knees again. Reach for your ankle again and blow. And now we're going to go underneath your leg to stretch your thoracic area. And then up and blow. Get your balance. Take a deep breath. Belly button in. Engage your core so you don't lose your balance and blow. And up. Take a deep breath. And look down and blow. Last one. You take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. And now put your hands on the mat and feel a lovely stretch on your hip flexors and slowly bend your knee, touch the mat and lie down and place it there and rest. Take a deep breath and slowly bend your left knee. Lift your foot up and slowly look up and blow. And down. Take a deep breath, look up. Feel that lovely stretch in your hip flexors and blow. Last one. You take a deep breath, look up, belly button in and down. Now we're going back to warrior pose. And switch to the left. And bend your left knee. Reach on your left ankle. Look up slowly. Take a deep breath. Belly button in. Go underneath your left knee and thigh area and blow. Trunk rotation. And slowly go up. Take a deep breath. Belly button in. And go all the way down and blow. Inhale up. Slow and easy. Belly button in. Feel what's right with your breath and blow. And take a deep breath. Last one. Belly button in and down below. And now place both hands on the mat. Slowly lower your right knee. This time on the mat. Touch it. Let it rest. Now slowly bend your right knee. Pull your foot up and slowly look up. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and down below. Feel that lovely stretch on your hip flexor on your right. Inhale and look up. Belly button in and blow. Last one. You take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. If this is too hard, just continue with the warrior pose. And now, go to your hands and knees. Kneeling position. We're going to do cat and camel. So slowly, make an angry cat. Hunch your shoulders up. Open your upper back. Look down slowly towards your belly button. Pull your belly button in. And take a deep breath. Slowly look up. Take your buttocks out to extension on your spine and blow. Take a deep breath. Angry cat. Belly button in. Slowly look up and blow. We'll do this 10 times, 8 more to go. Inhale. And look up and blow. Open your chest. Inhale down. Look down. And look up. Feel that lovely stretch of your low back area. Belly button in and look up and blow. Halfway to go. Take a deep breath. Belly button. And look up, blow. 4 more to go. Inhale. Look up, blow. Make your spine. Mobilize your low back and upper back. Try to squeeze. Look up and blow. 2 more to go. Take a deep breath. Up, blow. Last one. You take a deep breath. Belly button in and up, blow. Inhale down. Blow. Last one. Take a deep breath. Belly button in. Pull your stomach in and slowly go up and blow. And now side to side. Feel that lovely stretch on your trunk area. To the left. Twist. Inhale. And blow. To the right. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. To the left. And to the right. Last one. And okay, the next one is downward dog. You're gonna lift your knee off the mat. Push your heels on the mat. If you can't push your heels down yet and knees straight, it's okay. As long as it feels right. You want to make sure you're slowly progressing on this. Take a deep breath and slowly march left and right to slowly stretch your calf and hamstrings area, and then slowly further go down to stretch. Take a deep breath, belly button in, and march again and blow. Inhale, 10 times marching and blow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and push down more. Hold it for 10 seconds. Inhale and blow. Last breath and blow. And now we're going to upward facing dog. So you're going to slowly lower your hips down the mat, and you're going to slowly look up to stretch your low back area. Take a deep breath and blow. Feel that lovely stretch on your low back area. Inhale and blow. Last breath. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow, and then we'll end this beginner's yoga to a beautiful child pose by sitting on your buttocks. Bend your knees, and I'm gonna hold this. I'm gonna hold this for 3 beautiful breaths. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. This is our last pose for today for beginners yoga. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. Last one. Inhale deeply as much as you can, and that's it. I'm hoping you're feeling so much flexible and stronger on this lovely eccentric beginners yoga. If you love this video and you want to continue with my challenge, please subscribe to my channel so you won't miss anything, and please click the notification bell so you are updated for my next video. I also have social media accounts you can check out on my description box below: my Patreon, my Facebook, Instagram, and Reddit. And if you have any questions, suggestions, leave a comment down below for any future video requests. Until next time, I'll see you my day 3 tomorrow for cardio Pilates. It's still gonna be a beginner's level for this week 1. That's my phase 1 of my first week of my challenge, and I'm hoping really excited to continue with our social distancing even though we're home and not being out about. Doing some exercises is a great tool to keep your mind, body strong and healthy. Until next time, have great and healthier you. Be safe. Bye.